Get the new entrepreneur degree by MeChat Universe. Do you have a new business idea or a startup you've been working on for a few years? Get an entrepreneur degree in MeChat Universe and learn how to make your idea come true with other entrepreneurs who love to create and invent. So what does it take to earn your entrepreneur degree in MeChat Universe? Well, let's start over. MeChat Universe is a revolutionary, mobile-friendly school system designed to fit into your pocket, providing flexibility and the best opportunities to work on your business dreams. The entrepreneur degree in MeChat Universe offers cutting-edge courses and hands-on experiences that will help you turn your vision into reality. With 14 certifications to earn your degree online, MeChat Universe will guide you to the top of the entrepreneurship ladder, regardless of where you are in your career. Simply log in from your phone to start learning and earning your degree. To be an entrepreneur, your mindset must align with that of an entrepreneur, which cannot happen if you haven't taken the proper steps towards achieving one of your dreams. Don't worry, our 14-level program and OBMs can help you build a certified degree plan that will help you turn your business dreams into reality over the next school year. Join over 1,000 entrepreneurs who are using MeChat Universe for researching, co-working, preparing, training, testing, developing, and executing their business dreams. Get your business dreams going with a certified degree by MeChat Universe, as almost nothing can stop you when you have a MeChat Universe degree. Plus, unlike traditional universities, MeChat Universe is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to become your own boss in today's competitive market. Stop wasting your talents and knowledge and turn them into business opportunities. Our OBMs, recruiters, and prestigious school system is here to help you plan the next phase of your business dreams. And you only need one of four to get started: either a sustainable business idea, a budget, time, or experience. With one of those four, our OBMs and school system can help you build a well-organized plan to keep you moving forward. For more information about starting a business, OBMs, or MeChat Universe, visit our website at www.mechat.us. Earn your entrepreneur degree from MeChat Universe, the dream school system for entrepreneurs.